General wants to start,
Ah,
it would be appropriate, Lord, that he
Yes,
finishes
sir.
it and thereafter I continue. Yes,
Is
but
there?
if he
Mr.
has
Maninder Singh is
he'll
also
argue.
there.
We are ready.
Let it be
Whoever-
10:30. I will complete and Mr. Singh can start.
Yes, please.
Today,
No, my lord, Saturday, my lord, if you allow.
Saturday, all right.
Deeply obliged, deeply obliged.
10:30, my lord, can it be at 10:30?
We'll start it with 10:30 and conclude it. Yes.
Please.
And all of you are the rejoinder later on.
Well, Legion will have to be later because they will be having a lot of things, but
I
one
know.
day more I'll finish it off. One day more.
That's all right. Yes.
So
Uh,
I'll
Saturday,
take account of everything and make my note also accordingly.
Yes.
So
Let
as
the
a single
respondents,
note.
respondents finish.
Yes, yes.
Hope all of you will finish on Saturday.
As much as possible, we'll finish Saturday.
All right.
Allocate time for us so that we know how much time we have.
It's all right.
Each of you.
No, it's all right, Lord.
Each of us will not allocate.
All right. I don't think each of you are saying something contrary to each other.
No.
absolutely not.
All right.
Not repeat.
But two broad issues, Lord, we will address that subject to what there are and solicit.
No, then Solicitor General will start first.
Start.
And all of you will
We'll follow.
next follow. Yes. Then we'll do it on Saturday.
Yes.
Yes. Heard. That I will do. That we will do.
Grateful to you, lord.
Heard the learned senior counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who has completed his submissions for the present and would reserve his right of rejoinder submissions. Once the submissions are concluded by the respondents, the learned Solicitor General submits that
Saturday.
the matter would be taken up on 31st. He would complete his submissions on the said date. Records may be required, sir.
I will keep, my lord, my record present.
Yes,
which
sir.
can be-
Would complete his submissions on Saturday. List the matter on Saturday at 10:30 a.m. Interim order granted on 19/8/2024 shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes. Wait, yes.
One of the record, including the other application, status of the other applications also you'll have to.
What applications?
You have produced 4 other complaints which are pending.
No, every record will be produced.
Not only passing of this order, Manoj.
Oh, you mean from the office of the governor?
Yes. They had said,
The
brothers,
4 applications also. what
I
is
have
the
named them.
status
I have
of
named those applications.
No, but I'm unable to see who
That
is
is-
requesting.
That is for the perusal of the court. They will do it.
The
Yes.
perusal of the court, Manoj.
No, it's my contention, so Lordship can peruse it, of course.
Kindly
answer.
My
But it is
contention
a
is writing.
state has nothing to do with this, my lord.
Governor
Accused,
has everything to do with.
potential accused and the governor
is the one who
will.
has passed the order, sir.
The complaints that have been referred to by my learned by the Singhvi are under 19. They are not under 17A.
No, I asked the senior counsel that they are all after investigation
Exactly.
and wanting sanction to file a charge sheet.
So there's.
No, any.
No, the problem is 218 is also referred. That's the reason.
Lord,
And he would say 218 is referred for the reason that
Paper.
IPC offences are there in that.
Right.
That
In
cannot
fact,
be said.
is which?
That should be submission.
Lord, much emphasis, my lord, was laid on pendency of sanction applications, my lord, in connection to 4 legislators, my lord. Now, my lord, pursuant to the dictums laid down by the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, what precluded, my lord, my learned friend, my lord, the Chief Minister of the State of Karnataka, my lord, to, my lord, pass directions to approach this Honorable Court seeking necessary directions to the Honorable Governor, my lord. No, my lord, because the governor was termed as a friendly governor. Now, my lord, with all liberty, I would call the Chief Minister as a friendly Chief Minister.
To those complaints.
Chief Minister,
Certainly.
my lord, unlike the governor.
Certainly. Now, my lord, Friendly to the constitution.
My lord, they have quoted pendency, my lord, since so many years. My lord, nothing
No,
precluded
let's
them.
see what is pending and what is not pending. The office of the governor would place the files. We'll answer. The contention is taken, we'll answer it.
Please.
That's all right. That doesn't mean we pay.
No, my lord,
you
now
want
this
to
vote
play a
is
friend-
acting on your head.
No, it doesn't mean you want to play a friendly match here, right?
Certainly not, my lord.
Now, can I make one request? Can your lordship accommodate me on Monday? The others can argue. So, but I am.
All right, let them finish. We don't know how much time everybody would take. Then when senior counsel Singhvi would again come back.
Yes.
That's on Monday, sir. Monday or Tuesday, whenever you want. The same day we will,
I'm convenient on Saturday, that's reason.
you would require 30 minutes.
No, but I require about an hour.
Huh?
I require about an hour.
All right. So 1 hour each will allocate them. Yes, sir. Well, take it on
Saturday.
Saturday. Yes,
Grateful to your lord.
this on Saturday at 10:30. And Senior Counsel Maninder Singh sir is also there.
Yes,
That is for whom?
one of the, I think,
He's appearing
complainants.
for, I think,
One of the complainants.
Complaints, all right. Yes. I will record presence ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು record ಮಾಡಿ madam.
I think, sir, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಗವನ್
ಯಾವುದು?
fifth response, fourth, third response.
Which? Who? R3 is appearing party in person.
My lord, there was an IA filed, my lord.
You have filed an
We-
application?
We are not pressing that application.
Not pressing.
Please.
IA 2 of 2024 filed by the respondent in person. R3 nadu?
Please.
R3 in person. The respondent in person would submit that he would not press the application seeking to appear as a respondent in person. In the light of the said submission, the application stands disposed as not pressed.
Much grateful.
Obliged to your lord.
Yes.
Grateful.
Madam. Yes, sir.
Please.
On Saturday at 10:30. Then we have the list still. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ. Give all the list. Don't miss out anybody like last time. Give all the list. And whenever you give list of authorities, I have time and again told you, you should mention the paragraphs in the index. Correct that and mention paragraphs in the index and give. I did not want to tell it in front of senior. Yes, do it. Madam, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Next one, continue.
Lords, till number 41. Lords, I appear for the petitioner, Lords, challenge is the proceedings and for the offense punishable under section 27C of Drugs and Cosmetics Act, Lords. There is no compliance of 23(4) of the Act, my lords, in so far as.
One minute, madam. Madam, ಇದು ದೇಸಿ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Yes, heard the learned counsel up. ಇದು identical matters ದೇಸು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು drugs and cosmetics. Along with that, we will hear. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Tag this petition along with the numbers she'll give you. Tag this petition along with, post it for further hearing. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. At the hour date is in ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ. There are similar issues with this. Yes. ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ? 4 12 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Yes.
42.
Petition, my lord. Press for time. my lord.
Press for time, no grants time. Yes.
Senior operation ಆಗಿದೆ.
Why time?
Senior operation ಆಗಿದೆ madam.
Operation.
Yes, my lord. My entry ಮಾಡ extend.
The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the senior is indisposed due to surgery. List this matter after 2 weeks. Interim order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. Yes, Avinash.
I appear for the petition, my lord. Petition is a complainant, my lord. 138 proceedings have been initiated, my lords.
Hmm.
The tax is, my lords, we deceived the property, my lords. By paying, we were told to pay 7 lakhs as advance, my lords.
311 application.
311 application.
Iradil.
House,
Don't go on merits.
my lords.
It is rejected.
On the only ground that we have not annexed the documents what we have to produce in the reason for recall, my lords. On that ground, it has been rejected. My
Where is the
lords.
respondent?
Morning, they were present, my lords.
Morning they were present. When is the next date?
Tomorrow, my lords.
When is the next date? Not my date, sir. Court,
31.
trial court al nale idea.
Please, my lords.
I will take it tomorrow. We'll take it on Tuesday. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the
There is no
petitioner.
stay
List the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters.
There is
Till
no-
such time
my
further
lord.
proceedings before the concerned court
My
shall
lords,
remain
there
stay.
is no stay application.
Application ilva?
Application.
ಯಾಕ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
It's our case, my lords.
ಬೇಡ. List on Tuesday in the fresh matters.
Monday, my lords.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, Tuesday.
Please.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವತ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ? Yes, sir.
Please. Lord, after the conclusion of the evidence, Lord, the court, Lord, allows a supplementary report
Covered by Vinu Bhai, Kodi, sir.
covered by Vinu Bhai. Lord, in fact, in Mariam's case, my Lord, recently, my Lord, which was referred to, even Vinu Bhai was referred in that case. Lord, this is a case, my Lord, further investigation should be something new, my Lord. You cannot reassess an earlier.
Whatever it is,
Please.
after the framing of the charges and commencement of trial, there cannot be
There cannot be.
supplementary charge sheets filed unless it is only producing a document in the name of supplementary charge.
Yes, yes.
One judgment, my lord, which say that what in case if the investigation officer has purposefully avoided or the accused make sure that the charges have been framed, trial has been commenced, and then
This court,
one
not
judgment
173. No, see Vinu Bhai, 3 judge.
that I've seen.
Yes. It's the what the apex court says, the right freezes. Once the trial commences to file supplementary charge sheet under 173(8) of the CRPs.
No, but
Will Vinu Bhai Kodi?
But I have not carried it.
What?
Sorry, my Lord. Lord. In
1918
fact,
SEC page 1.
howd.
Yes.
subsequently, there's one
My
more
Lord,
judgment, my lord.
2023, I think what Jagdish is referring to, Lord, is that CBI matter in 2023. Lord, wherein, my Lord, it says that under circumstances, my Lord, it has to be assessed.
Vinu Bhai is 3 judge
They're
bench.
It's a 3 judge, please.
They have quoted Vinu Bhai, my lord, and then they say that what in case if purposefully to defeat the.
No, then
filing-
it goes on case to case basis.
That's
It
correct.
goes on a case to case.
That's
My Lord, in this case, my Lord, there are directions given by this honorable court.
Hmm.
Lord, wherein the court has to give a finding as to why that is required. Lord,
What is required?
why the additional charge sheet is required.
Now, what has happened now?
My Lord, what the learned magistrate says, Lord, he says whether or not that charge sheet is having any prejudice on the accused is a question which has to be determined because the accused gets an opportunity to cross-examine. Lord, against, my Lord, the directions given by this honorable court.
Oh, you are referring to page 62.
My Lord, page 77, Lord, criminal petition 5702 of 17, dated 8/2/18, my Lord.
Justice Panindra avardala.
Justice Panindra.
Ah.
My Lord, para 7 at page 76 and 77, my Lord. Page 77. At first, the court has to consider the relevancy of those documents. And thereafter, the question is as to the admissibility of such documents and then reappreciation of the evidence.
Were the same parties?
Please, my Lord, in this very same case.
Yes.
And my Lord, the order of the learned magistrate, annexure K,
Page,
page 86, my Lord. At para 17 at 87. Mere producing the above said documents at a later stage would not cause any prejudice to the accused because they are always at liberty to cross-examine the persons who have issued the same during trial. So far as appreciation of evidence placed on record by either of the parties arises only after trial, and that too at the time of passing the judgment. Therefore, I am of the considered opinion that the documents produced by the IO, along with the additional final report, has not violated the above said circular and are also not prejudice, cause any prejudice to the accused. Hence, I answer the above points in the negative.
He has not taken the,
Please, my lord, the directions of this honorable court that you have to give a finding in view of the circular.
in Jagdish Ore, in the other case, you filed, 173(8) supplementary charge sheet was filed only for the purpose of production of a transcript, CD.
Yes.
65B certificate ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, but I said that could be produced that as a document because he objected to it. Here also, what is asked is production of documents. Would it be termed as a supplementary charge sheet or it's only production of documents, no other mode of producing documents?
It's a supplementary charge sheet, my lord, is only the form of saying.
That is what, are we going by the title or what is done?
It seems to be, my lord, it says that only documents have been produced.
My lord, this is a case, my lord, where a government agency gives a negative report on the documents, but subsequently, my lord, they get it done by a private lab.
We'll answer this.
Please
Again, stay there.
stay there.
The issue
may
of
have to-
private labs, my lord, that this court
A
also.
truth lab though.
This court also has issued a direction not to go for private labs. Pursuant to that, there is a circular issued by.
Merely because it is titled Truth Labs. Should we take it as truth?
No, that's where, my
The
lord. that-
private lab.
That's where, my lord, this court has warned the police officers not to.
Why do these police officers go to truth labs every time? Every case I see it.
Yes. In fact, there was a circular also issued to that extent, saying that
ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Departmental inquiry initiate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು if these are.
probably something like that.
Illa, on the basis of that circular and that judgment itself, my lord, Justice Panindra, my lord, directed the magistrate to look into it.
Not look into it. We will direct investigate the departmental inquiry against his investigating officers who refer it to private laboratories. ಅದು
What they do-
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ in your FSL 2 years, 3 years reports ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
That is one of the reasons.
FSL should be strengthened, sir. There should be increase in number, increase in so many cases, FSL remain the same.
That is one of the reasons they go, but
That also
unfortunately-
should increase. Otherwise, if it doesn't increase, then this is the problem.
In fact, one of the case, my lord, which the CID has investigated, properties which was seized by the court, mobile phones, another thing which was sent for extraction, have been sold to somebody else and those mobile phones.
That is why when you give it to private labs, there's no accountability. That will see. It will stay.
That
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
one, stay there.
Then answer
In
ಮಾಡು.
fact, my lord, what is further investigation again? My lord, you cannot unearth an already which you have investigated. It has to be something new. My lord, in fact, in that CBI judgment, I think which Jagdish is referring to,
No,
Lord,
no,
what the
fur-
apex court says,
Further investigation, when is directed by this court, it
Yes.
can start the whole hog.
yes,
not
if
there.
it is directed by the court.
Not there under 173.
Yes, under 170, if it is something new, only then they can do it.
73 also says, my lord, if the moment you come across with any document, there is nothing precluded the investigation is to place it before the court. It's like dead man walking.
If it
through
is
the air.
something new, they can do it, my lord. But if it is revisiting an old thing, so re-investigation,
Let's-
PO or
Not
this thing.
permissible.
21st will answer. List on heard land council of the petition learned additional SPP. Yeah, respond private ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Illa, it's a state.
List on 21st in the fresh matters list, 21st September. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
Yes.
Hearing 45.
Yes, madam. 45 ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Vandana is your name?
47.
Invite ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
I'm sorry, my lord.
Hmm.
We were under the impression it's 147.
45.
47, I'm sorry.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ವಂದನಾ PL is her name, right?
Yes, yes, yes. My lord, the
ಹ್ಮ್.
wholly, my lord, even by factual bounds, my lord, covered by
306.
David D'Souza's judgment. In David D'Souza's, my lord, the words that were uttered, go and hang yourself. In this case, go and die. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. By facts, my lord, it is a tailor-made, my lord, case to be applied to my lord, to be traced to David D'Souza.
What were the facts?
Kindly, my lord, see the facts. Only so much, my lord, all that ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮದ್ವೆನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. 2 ಸಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, my lords may kindly see. This is all, my lord, happens.
Page 27.
Yes. Registration ಹೋದಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. Admitted, what is also admitted is both went for registering the marriage. They were living together, ceremoniously married, everything, my lord, is admitted.
Ceremoniously married.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ
ಹಾ.
ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Hmm.
Statutory marriage was to be registered for the purpose of them, my lord, traveling abroad.
Hmm.
2 times they went. For some reasons, the registration did not take place. For that, there was, my lord, this my lord, altercation between husband and my wife cannot be given a color of, my lord, animosity against each other.
So who else can it be given against?
That too, my lord. I can understand, my lord, the husband and wife were so estranged, falling apart, my lord, so dangerously that a bouquet of cases come in. 1 DP Act, 1 divorce petition, 1 498A, my lord. This is not such a situation. She dies, my lord. In column number 17, my lord, only thing what is said is only so much, my lord. Mananondu, last, my lord, paragraph on page number 28, my lords may kindly see. Maduveya nantara, page number 28, my lord, only 4 lines I'll read, my lord, on the extreme right column.
Hmm.
Maduveya, second line, Maduveya register ide endu heli, ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮದುವೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಗೀತಾರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜಗಳವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಆರೋಪಿಯ ಪತ್ನಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸುಮಾರು 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತಾರನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಮನನೊಂದು, my lord, mananondu can never be, my lord, an allegation against, my lord, the husband as per for 306. By facts, my lord, this case, my lord, traces to David D'Souza, where, my lord said, I can understand, my lord, if there is anything enigmatic, as my lord, employed.
Human mind is an enigma.
That punching words, my lord, which is being which is being celebrated by the bar in many of our draftings. I can understand, my lord, if there is any such enigmatic my lord, intentions, animosity, you will satodre nanigeno labha agutte. There is nothing like that in this case. Inviting 306, my lord, could be, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I am also mourning the death of my wife.
How long, sir? This is 2023. Still mourning.
In fact, my lord,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮೌರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. For some reasons, my lord, the sub registrar says, it's like, my lord, I am not buying her a chocolate, she gets, my lord, sulkiness, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, she has always been in the habit of nan satogtini, and she would even send me on WhatsApp, my lord, I have appended that pictures. ನೋಡು, ಈ ತರ ಗಂಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ, ಇದು ನೇಣು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ she used to, my lord, joke around. That's the charge sheet material. Charge sheet, in the charge sheet, the police would.
No, don't joke around. You lost a life.
In fact,
Yes.
my lord, I was not joking around. She used to send me, my lord, who would take it seriously? Every time I'd say, I will die today, I'll do this. If you don't come early home, I'll pierce myself. My lord, this is, my lord, something like this, my lord, enters into, takes the next level. My lord, husband cannot be held guilty for, my lord, 306.
I ask again, who else?
Could be, my lord, as your lordships rightly said, my lord, it's enigmatic.
No.
My lord, how a man's mind could be enigmatic, a lady's mind, my lord, is 10 times more enigmatic, my lord, than a man. In fact, my lord, men are never enigmatic as such. I think Jagdish would concur with me
Yes,
on.
they are only pragmatic,
That's a caste-
not enigmatic.
That's a sexist remark.
That's not correct, sir.
Depression allidru ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು
No statements about man or a woman here.
I'm sorry.
They are equal, yes.
Your lordship may see the WhatsApp messages which they have attached along with the petition. He appears, my lord, he used to lock her inside the house and then go. She pleaded him, asking to come and open the door.
Could that be a reason for 306?
That's where human mind is an enigma. You don't know what propels commission of suicide. It may be in the spur of the moment, it may be factors that are lying dormant and burst like a volcano.
I
Anything
understand
can
that.
happen.
I understand that, my lord. How careful, my lord, husbands, my lord, will not be the keepers of a glass jars, my lord. Every time, my lord, should I think, what if I say this, she might come? No, we are not keepers of crystal jars. We,
No.
my lord, treat them as wives. At the end of the day, my lord, if every small thing, my lord, if has to give
No,
me,
you don't
put
keep,
me on a caution.
no, you don't keep as a glass jar. You sit inside it. That's the whole problem.
If every, my lord, moment of my moments of my my life with my wife has to be so, my lord, cautious, careful. If I say this, what if she does, my lord? That's what is happening these days, my lord. The institution of marriage, my lord, is getting weakened because of all these things. What if I